We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced names from Greek mythology, some of the most mispronounced ones, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? In British English it is generally said as Ariadne. You do want to stress on the ad syllable. In British English there is a first clear R sound, open R sound, Ariadne. In American English, however, it is generally said as Ariadne, Ariadne, or Ariadne, Ariadne in American English, or Ariadne in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from ancient Greece, from Greek mythology, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.